Resent the strike with Mighty Mike, scratching, we're hitting hard. LC is hitting, taking titles with MCs and not barred. My decision to have risen started off as I speak upon a theory that is weary but true. A mere suspicion, but a mission that's positioned that you be known to mortals that is here upon the face of this earth. Was worth the fire to be higher at the time of my birth. But now I'm here for all to fear me, clay that I have now came to reach the glory in the story and to capture the fame, for we have risen.
Festa da Cidade. Uma festa no seu rádio.
Festa da Cidade.
Produção e mensagens. DJ Renato Lopes. O dinossauro do som.
Hallucinating, you dictated, overrated, outdated, and when she rocks upon society, appearing to say, though I respond upon the servers, worth the wait to be late. As I bring beat it, you've been seated by the thought that I brung. And will I kill the bill of peasantry with all that I've sung? Sensation, paper, states of stations, overruling my soul. To take control of all empire, science, bow to my role. As I impose the closing doors of those empires' demise, I authorize it, I'm the wise in time I have organized. I'm patronizing, colonizing, free to meet and advise. I need no violence, shit this solid. Students rise, cause we have risen. out to get all the green. Scrambling out here in the street. Scrambling to stay on my feet. Scrambling every day of my life. Scrambling coping with the stress and strife. Scrambling searching for the truth in life. I ain't gonna stop until I get it right. People talk about the way life is today, about lying, killing, stealing their lives away. They talk about sex, drugs, and all such things. But listen very closely to the scrambling thing. I was out of work for 1 long year. I ate a lot of rock, shed a lot of tears, and every morning I woke up throwing on my gear. I have to find a job to make a career. It's something that I feel I really have to do, cause I wanna survive just like you. So my kids could have their shoes and my lady wear the best. I might as well get out and scramble with the rest. Scrambling, scrambling on the scene. Scrambling out to get all the green. Scrambling out here in the street. Scrambling to stay on my feet. Scrambling every day of my life. Scrambling coping with the stress and strife. Scrambling searching for the truth in life. I ain't gonna stop until I get it right. Scrambling is a thing that every man knows. Working so hard, gotta keep it going. Scrambling out there to make things meet. Scrambling to the beat till you reach the peak. You see, you scramble so you don't have to rob or kill. Scramble for real, no time to ill. Cause a man has to scramble every day of his life in order to support his child and wife. So it doesn't matter what kind of work you do, cause whatever it is, you're scrambling too. You gotta face the facts in the prime of your life. Do you wanna be scrambling for the rest of your life? Just a fairy tale, the money grows on you. So I scramble in a way that I can't clock. Ain't got no time to hang on the block. Just out here trying to build up style, so I can get a piece of the rock. Scrambling, scrambling on the scene. Scrambling out to get all the green. Scrambling out here in the street. Scrambling to stay on my feet. Scrambling every day of my life. Scrambling coping with the stress and strife. Scrambling searching for the truth in life. That runs the show. Policeman walking on the beat. Street hustler hanging on the scene. To the doctor that kills the pain. To the superstar that claims the fame. The DJ playing what you haven't heard. The preacher man who spreads the word. People living under a lot of light. People who stand for human rights. For the people who work all night while other people party to the early light. For the people who work in the day, scrambling real hard to earn. You see, it doesn't matter whatever you do, cause whatever it is, you're scrambling to. Secretary that types the notes. To the boss that runs the show. Policeman walking on the beat. A street hustler hanging on the scene. To the doctor that kills the pain. To the superstar that claims the fame. The DJ playing what you haven't heard. The preacher man who spreads the word. People living under a lot of light. People who stand for human rights. For the people
'Cause my love Aumente o volume, aumente o volume.
Mais um show com a qualidade.
Aqui toca só as melhores.
Mais um show com a qualidade.
Aqui toca só as melhores.